Hello everybody and welcome to the Crypto Session Brief. We're on Friday the 9th of December 2022. Major headlines in the crypto space over the past 24 hours. One of them involving FTX once again, and that's that the Senate Banking Committee and House Financial Services Committee both requested FTX's ex-CEO Sam Bankman-Fried to testify at next week's hearings to discuss the collapse of his exchange. He didn't reply, the council didn't reply within the deadline, and they're going to be subpoenaing him if he does not appear voluntarily. So last week the US Department of Justice as well requested an independent probe of the case, so that's going to rumble on for the foreseeable. The EU struggles. EU Commission, the European Commission are struggling to find out how to deal with foreign crypto services providers as it sets out to increase reporting obligations for European crypto companies. It's an independent of the forthcoming omnibus bill called Markets in Crypto Assets Regulation. Separately, payments company PayPal said it will expand its crypto service to Luxembourg in the coming days, following an initial rollout of the service in the US in 2020 and an expansion last year to the UK. Let's head into technicals because there's not much else to report. We've actually been ticking higher on a few, but pretty flat overall, to be fair. In fact, it's been a rather quiet week, if truth be told. Bitcoin, as you can see here, down at 17,200, just finding a lot of resistance this week around this particular area that we're at right now, and already today we've seen another knockback on the highs of the week, and we're just seeing it tick lower on that area now. Pretty flat on the day though again. Ripple completely flat this week. In fact, if you look where we opened the week, which was around about here at 0.3855, I mean, you're almost to the point of that level right now. So what a snooze fest. Ethereum has probably shown the most amount of life this week, if we're being honest. Over the past few days we did see that rally higher, but then we've paused at that key 1280 level, and at the minute haven't really seen any movement to the upside or downside of that level. Litecoin, if any technicals have been playing out this week, this market has been finding some nice support at 75, and now it heads back into that 78-80 area. So 80 being the technical level overhead, and now looking to break back into the area where we saw the spike out of the breakout range into the 85 area if we get through 80. A breakthrough 75 can signal a move down into the 70-60 area. That's a wrap for the crypto brief. See you all inside the chat room. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.